You're welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching us how to use rhinestone to do customized design. Today I'm going to be doing something for a 1-year old, and this is how I'm going to go about it. So first of all, I'm going to print out some of these alphabets. These alphabets have been mirrored in the sense that they are not written in the normal way that they are supposed to be written. They are mirrored. You can Google what the meaning of mirror is. To mirror a design, I'm going to be using two types of fonts. So what I'm trying to write is, one is a vibe. So I've cut out the letters for one, O-N-E. This is O-N-E. As you can see, it's not written the normal way you will write it. It's written in like an opposite direction in a mirrored format, so that when I'm done arranging my stones, they are going to be the normal way. So I'm going to be using this also. So I cut out one. I use this other font to get is a. Is a. I'm still going to arrange them. I'm going to draw a line and arrange them properly. One is, I'm going to put space. Then this, I want this to be slanted this way. So now I want to cut out vibe, V-I-B-E, vibe. So I'm going to be using this font again to get the vibe. So I won't be able to cut on my table. I'm going to get a wood and a blade, or if you have a cutter, you can use a cutter. I'm going to use this to cut. Okay, for my V, I have V here. I have my V here. I like fonts that have box around it. It helps with arranging them. Okay, I have I here. I need B. I need E. Okay, I have E here. So one is a vibe. This is what I have now. Now I'm going to use a pen to draw a straight line here, so I can arrange. I'm going to be using a paper tape. I'm going to cut the paper tape and roll it and place it at the back. Then I'm going to arrange. I want to locate the middle of this distance. So from the edge here to this point, this is 3 inches. So this is 1.5. So I'm going to measure 1.5 to locate the middle. Then I'm going to put dotted line to have an idea of where the middle of my what I'm working with is going to be. Okay, so I'll start with the middle one. This is N. I'm going to place it the edge of the design, not the edge of the paper, because I realize the paper they are not the same. So the edge of the design, I'll place it on this line and try to make sure it's at the middle. Oh, I'm going to do my O here. And I'm going to do my E here. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to check it at the back. I'll start with the I. My B is not well placed, so I'm going to adjust my B this other way. I'll flip it the other way. So I'm going to check it from the back and be sure that it is the way I want to check it again. So I'm going to lift it up, raise it up, and be sure it's okay. So I don't want this on this side. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this out, then replace my design. Remember the paper was folded into 4, so I will use this place. Then I'm going to place this here. Okay, now I have my design. Okay, I'm going to be using this. This is enough for what I want to do. Um, so I'm going to cut this into pieces, about 3 pieces. Then I'm going to open the transfer sheet. The non-sticky part will be on the design, so I can use this to tape it down on the edge. So I'll tape it down. I can also use the paper tape to tape it down. I'm just going to do 3 corners. That is okay for me. I'm going to need something that will serve as a tray to pour my stones. The stones, the part without the glue, will face down. So the glue part, my design, will be turned up. So I'm going to place it this way. So I'm going to pick the one that the glue is facing up. This is what I'm going to pick, and I'm going to place it. So I'm going to do that for all the alphabet, including this image. Make sure this transfer sheet is not too wide so that it doesn't stick to your hand. So just cut out what you need.